Hi students, welcome to the next session. In today's session, we'll start with question number 62. Find the value of 4 cos square 9 degrees minus 1 into 4 cos square 27 degrees minus 1 into 4 cos square 81 degrees minus 1 4 cos square 243 degrees minus 1. Okay, now you can write 2 into 2 cos square 9 minus 1, 2 into 2 cos square 27 minus 1, 2 into 2 cos square 81 minus 1, 2 into 2 cos square 243 minus 1. So from cos 2 theta formula we will get 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta. You apply this, you will get 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta is 18 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus cos 54 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus cos 162 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus cos 486 minus 1. Now if you simplify, this can be written as, so to 1 plus 2 cos 18, 1 plus 2 cos 54, this is 1 plus 2 cos 162, and this is 1 plus 2 cos 486. Now that equals to 1 plus 2 cos 18, 1 plus 2 cos 54, 1 plus 2 cos 162 can be written as 180 minus 18, 1 plus 2 cos 540 minus 54. Now 1 plus 2 cos 18, 1 plus 2 cos 54, 180 minus means second quadrant cos is negative, 1 minus 2 cos 18, here also 540 minus is second quadrant cos is negative, 1 minus 2 cos 54. Now if you take a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus 4 cos square 18 degrees, 1 minus 4 cos square 54 degrees. Cos 18 value is little bit lengthy, that's why I am converting cos in terms of sine. Now 1 minus 4 into cos square 18 can be written as 1 minus sine square 18. Here also 1 minus 4 cos square 54. So if you simplify 1 cos square, this 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. Now it is minus 3 plus 4 sine square 18 degrees. Now 1 minus 4 cos square can be written as 1 minus sine square 54. Now if we simplify this, 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 4 sine square 18, here minus 3 plus 4 sine square 54. Now minus 3 plus 4 into sine 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. into minus 3 plus 4 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. If you simplify minus 3, this is 6 minus 2 root 5 by 4 will get, actually 16 will get, 4 times cancel, minus 3 plus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Now simplify, this is minus 12 plus 6, minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 4, this is minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 36 minus 20 by 16. Now 16 by 16, answer is 1. That is nothing but option A is the correct answer. Question number 63. So they given, if A and B are acute positive angles, satisfy the condition 3 sin square A plus 2 sin square B is equal to 1. Next, 3 sin 2A minus 2 sin 2B equal to 0. Then find the value of A plus 2B. See, from this 3 sin square A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square B. Now 3 sin square A equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. We got one relation. Next, from this 3 sin 2A is equal to 2 sin 2B. Now you can write 3 by 2 sin 2A equals to sin 2B. But we required A plus 2B. So I am writing cos of A plus 2B. It is in the form of cos of A plus B formula. It can be written as cos A cos 2B minus sin A sin 2B. Now here cos A into cos 2B value we know, 3 sin square A minus sin A into sin 2B value we know, 3 by 2 sin 2A. Now this can be written as 3 cos A sin square A minus sin A into 3 by 2 sin 2A formula, 2 sin A cos A. 2 gets cancelled. Now 3 cos A sin square A minus 3 cos A sin square A, that equals to 0. Left side, what is the value? Cos of A plus 2B. Now given A and B are the positive acute angles, that's why you can write A plus 2B value is pi by 2. That is nothing but option B is the correct answer for 63. Next, 64 question. They given cos alpha plus cos beta equals to 0, that equals to sin alpha plus sin beta. Now we need to find cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. See here, consider cos alpha plus cos beta whole square minus, why I am taking minus? If you take plus, cos square plus sin square becomes 1. If you take minus, cos square minus sin square is nothing but cos 2 alpha. That's why I am taking minus. So this value clearly 0. Now expand this, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A square plus B square plus 2AB equals to 0. cos square alpha minus sin square alpha cos 2 alpha. Cos square beta minus sin square beta cos 2 beta. In this I will take 2 common. We will get cos A cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is equal to 0. Now cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus 2 into this can be written as cos of alpha plus beta equals to 0. So from this we required cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta, that's why I send the remaining term to that side. So answer minus 2 cos alpha plus beta is answer for question number 64, that is nothing but option B is a correct answer. Next question number 65. See, in this question they given find the value of root 2 minus sin alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha minus cos alpha. Okay. So listen, for this numerator root 2 minus, you multiply with root 2, divide with root 2. Now you can write 1 by root 2 sin alpha plus 1 by root 2 cos alpha. 1 root 2 divide, 1 root 2 multiply. Similarly denominator also you multiply with root 2, divide with root 2, sin alpha into 1 by root 2 minus cos alpha into 1 by root 2. If you take root 2 common, root 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus this 1 by root 2 can be written as sin 45 into sin alpha. This can be written as cos 45 cos alpha. By denominator sin alpha into this 1 by root 2 I can write cos 45 minus cos alpha into this 1 by root 2 can be written as sin 45. Now 1 minus, it is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos of A minus B. Now cos of alpha minus pi by 4 by sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, sin of alpha minus pi by 4. So instead of writing alpha minus pi by 4 every time is lengthy, that's why I am taking this is theta. Let alpha minus pi by 4 is equal to theta. Now this expression can be written as 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. By denominator sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Cancel. Again 2 gets cancelled, sin and sin gets cancelled. Directly I am writing this is tan theta by 2. Already we know theta value alpha minus pi by 4. By 2. Now you can write tan of alpha by 2 minus pi by 8 is answer for this question, that is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Next, the question number 66. In question number 66 they given sin alpha plus sin beta equals to A. Next, cos alpha plus cos beta equals to b. Then we need to find tan of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. Now I am taking, this is equation 1. This full is equation 2. Squaring and adding. 1 square plus 2 square. Sin square plus cos square. Directly I am writing 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta. That is also 1. Plus if you take 2, sin alpha sin beta, cos alpha cos beta, I can write cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. The right side square of this a square, the square of this b square. Now we can write 2 plus 2, this is can be written as cos of a minus b, okay, equals to a square plus b square. See here we required tan. For that first I am finding secant. From the secant we can get tan value. That's why if you take 2 common, 1 plus cos alpha minus beta is equal to a square plus b square. This cos alpha minus beta can be written as 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 minus 1. Now 1 gets cancelled. That equals to a square plus b square. If you multiply 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to a square plus b square. If a square plus b square come to this side, 4 by a square plus b square equals to cos square go to that side becomes secant square. Again secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square. One plus tan square. The plus 1 come to this side, it becomes minus 1. Now 4 by a square plus b square minus 1, that equals to tan square alpha minus beta by 2. So from this tan square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to, if you simplify what you will get, 4 minus a square minus b square by a square plus b square you will get. This is tan square. We require tan. Tan of alpha minus beta by 2 equals to plus or minus under root of 4 minus a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is the value of tan alpha minus beta by 2. That is nothing but option D is the correct answer. Next, 67. See this question, a quadratic equation whose roots are cosecant square theta and secant square theta. So alpha equals to cosecant square theta, beta equals to secant square theta. First, I will find alpha plus beta, that is cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. It can be written as 1 by sin square theta, it can be written as 1 by cos square theta. If you take LCM, sin square theta cos square theta, cos square theta into 1 plus sin square theta into 1. So we know that numerator value sin square plus cos square, it is 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. For this, multiply with 4, divide with 4. Now 4 by, this can be written as sin 2 theta whole square. This is the value of alpha plus beta. From this you can easily, this is square, that's why you can write directly this alpha plus beta value is greater than or equals to 4. Okay, next alpha into beta. You can write cosecant square into secant square. Then alpha beta equals to 1 by sine square into 1 by cos square. For this also multiply with 4, divide with 4. Now alpha beta equals to 4 by sine 2 theta whole square. Now this alpha beta also greater than. In out of 4 option, which option is having alpha plus beta is more than 4 and alpha beta is more than 4? If you observe first option, they given both are 2 and 2. 2 is not greater than 4. In second option, they given both are 3 and 3. 3 is greater than 4, wrong. In third option, they given both are 5 and 5. Therefore, option C, x square minus 5x plus 5 is satisfying this condition. In this, alpha plus beta is 5, alpha beta is 5. 5 is greater than or equals to 4. Therefore, option C is a correct answer. Next, question number 68. In question number 68, they given cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha plus k into sin square 2 alpha equals to 1, and alpha belongs to 0 comma pi by 2, then k value. We need to find k value. Okay. Now, this cos square alpha can be written as, cos power 6 can be written as cos square alpha whole cube, sin square alpha whole cube, plus k into sin square 2 alpha equals to 1. So, we know formula for a cube plus b cube. I am writing different. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This formula is derived from a plus b whole cube only. Okay. Now a means cos square alpha, b means sin square alpha. If substitute, that implies cos square alpha plus sin square alpha whole cube minus 3 cos square alpha sin square alpha into a plus b cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that equals to 1. This value is 1, sorry, plus k sin square 2 alpha equals to 1. This can be written as 1 cube 1 minus 3 cos square alpha sin square alpha into 1 plus k into sin 2 alpha formula 2 sin alpha cos alpha. If you square 4 sin square alpha cos square alpha, you will get, that equals to 1. So from this 1 and 1 gets cancelled. If you take, so 3 sin cos square alpha, I can take 4k sin square alpha cos square alpha is equal to, this minus term go to that side, becomes plus 3 cos square alpha sin square alpha. Both sides sin square cos square gets cancelled. Now you can take 4k equals to 3. K value is 3 by 4. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, question number 69. In this question, they given sin square A minus sin square B by sin A cos A minus sin B cos B. See, this numerator sin square A minus sin square B can be written as sin A plus B into sin A minus B. For denominator, divide with 2, multiply with 2. If 2 go to numerator, 2 sin A plus B sin A minus B by 2 sin A cos A sin 2A, 2 sin B cos B sin 2B. Again denominator is in the form of sin C minus sin D. So numerator is same, 2 sin A plus B sin A minus B, sin C minus sin D formula 2 cos A plus B by 2, 2A plus 2B by 2, that is nothing but A plus B. Sin C minus D by 2, 2A minus 2B by 2, that is nothing but A minus B. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, sin A minus B, sin A minus B gets cancelled. Now sin by cos, that is nothing but answer is tan of A plus B, that is option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 70. Find the value of cos square 10 minus cos 10 into cos 50 plus cos square 50. Okay. For this, divide with 2, multiply with 2. Now it can be written as 2 cos square 10 minus 2 cos, first I am writing the highest angle, plus 2 cos square 50 degrees. Already we know 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. That's why it can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 into 10, 20. This is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. It can be written as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B 50 plus 10, 60 plus cos A minus B 50 minus 10, that is 40. Again 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta 2 into 50, that is nothing but 100 degrees. If you simplify 1 by 2 into 1 or equated 1 plus 1 2 cos 20, I am writing cos 100, also this, minus cos 60, you can write 1 by 2 minus cos 40. Okay, now 1 by 2 into this 2 minus 1 by 2, I can write 3 by 2. Again we have cos 20 minus cos 40. Now 1 by 2 into this 2 minus 1 by 2, it becomes 3 by 2. I apply formula for this, cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2, 100 plus 20, 120 by 2, that is 60. Cos C minus D by 2, 100 minus 20, 80 by 2, that is 40, minus cos 40. Now here 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2, cos 40 minus cos 40. Now here 2 gets cancelled, next step cos 40 gets cancelled. Now we will get 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, you will get, that is 3 by 4 is answer for question number 70, that is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 71. In 71 question they given if tan square theta equals to 2 tan square pi plus 1. Now find the value of cos 2 theta plus sin square pi. Okay. Now here adding 1 on both sides. If you add 1, you will get 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 2 tan square pi plus 2. Means you collect 2 common, you will get 1 plus tan square pi. Directly I am writing 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. 1 plus tan square pi is nothing but secant square pi. The secant square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta. The secant square pi can be written as 1 by cos square pi. From this, if you cross multiply, you can get cos square pi is equal to 2 cos square theta is a condition. But in this question, we need to find cos 2 theta plus sin square pi. Consider cos 2 theta plus sin square pi. Okay. Now cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus sin square pi. Okay. Now 2 cos square theta is nothing but cos square pi plus sin square pi minus 1. Now it becomes 1 minus 1, that is 0 is answer for question number 71. That is nothing but option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 72. Sin x plus cos x is equal to root 7 by 2. Then find tan x by 2. Okay. This sin x, we have formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So these are the direct formulas already we know. Here 2 theta means here theta will come half. If you take theta here, you will get theta by 2. Now sin x can be written as 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Cos x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, that is equal to root 7 by 2. Both are having same denominator, 1 plus tan square x by 2. Numerator 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2, that is equal to root 7 by 2. You cross multiply 2 into 2 tan x by 2, 4 tan x by 2 plus 2 1 is 2 minus 2 tan square x by 2, that equals to root 7 into 1 plus tan square x by 2, root 7 plus root 7 tan square x by 2. So finally you will get a quadratic equation in tan x by 2. If you solve, you will get tan x by 2 value. See, from this, if send this value to that side, I can write this minus 2 go to this side plus 2. Root 7 plus 2 into tan square x by 2. This 4 tan x by 2 come to this side, minus 4 tan x by 2. This plus 2 come to this side, minus 2. It is a quadratic equation in tan. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. I can write a value root 7 plus 2, b value minus 4, c value root 7 minus 2. Now tan x by 2 is equal to, we know the formula, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Now tan x by 2 equals to, you substitute ABC values here, minus b, that is nothing but 4 square 16 minus 4 into this, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 7 minus 4, that becomes 3 by 2 into root 7 plus 2. If you simplify, tan x by 2 is equal to 4 plus or minus, this is 12, 16 minus 12, 4, so that is plus 2 by 2 into root 7 plus 2. But in the question 72, they will not given any quadrant, so we need to find both, if substitute plus and if substitute minus. First I am taking minus, we will check it, answer will come or not. If you take minus, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2 into 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 7 plus 2. If this option is not given, I will go with plus. This is, but this is not given. Once again rationalize the denominator. Tan x by 2 equals to 1 by root 7 plus 2 into root 7 minus 2 by root 7 minus 2. Now tan x by 2 equals to root 7 minus 2 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 7 minus 4, that is nothing but 3. So answer root 7 minus 2 by 3, this is given. So option B is a correct answer. So one more value you will get, but that is not there in the option. Here I took minus. Okay. So option. Next, question number 73. In 73, the given condition, if x belongs to pi comma 3 pi by 2, that is nothing but third quadrant, then we need to find 4 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2 plus under root of 4 sin power 4x plus sin square 2x is always equal to. Okay. So from this I can write x belongs to third quadrant. I will simplify this. 4 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2 plus 4 sin power 4x, sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x becomes 4 sin square x cos square x. Now this can be written as 4 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2, in square root you can take 4 sin square x common. Now sin square x plus cos square x, this value is 1. 4 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2, this value 1. Under root of 4 sin square x I can write 2 into mod sin x. Actually plus or minus will come, and that's why I am writing here. But here x belongs to third quadrant. So that third quadrant sign is negative. I can write 4 cos square pi by 4. This can be written as, I will simplify this, 2 into 2 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2 minus 2 sin x. Understood why minus? Since x belongs to third quadrant. We know 2 cos square theta formula, 1 plus cos 2 theta. that equals to 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Theta is what? Pi by 4 minus x by 2 minus 2 sin x. If you simplify this, 2 into 1 plus cos, if you multiply with 2, 2 into pi by 4, that is nothing but pi by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, you will get x. Now 2 into 1 plus cos 90 minus theta, that is nothing but sin theta minus 2 sin x. So here 2 sin x gets cancelled. So answer is 2 for this question number 73. That is nothing but option B is the correct answer. Next, 74. In 74 question they given, if A comma B comma C are the sides of a triangle ABC which is right angle at C. It is a right angle triangle A, B. This is small b, this is small c, this is small a. A, B, C are the sides of a right angle triangle and right angle at C. Okay. Then the minimum value of C by A plus C by B whole square. So if for this angle, if you take this is theta, I will find sin theta A by C, cos theta B by C. But in the question we need to find C by A plus C by B whole square. C by A plus C by B whole square. C by A means 1 by sin theta. C by B means 1 by cos theta whole square. Okay. Now if you simplify, so what you will get? I will take LCM. Cos theta plus sin theta by sin theta cos theta whole square. Numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cos square plus sin square 1 plus 2ab. By denominator, sin square theta cos square theta. So here we need to find the minimum value of. Okay. Now this can be written as, if you multiply with 4 and divide with 4, one more step I am taking, 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. I can write sin 2 theta directly I am writing, by 4 sin square theta cos square theta. That equals to 4 into 1 plus sin 2 theta by, this can be written as sin 2 theta whole square. If you divide 1 by 1, 4 into 1 by sin 2 theta whole square plus, here sin 2 theta by sin 2 theta whole square means square and sin 2 theta gets cancelled, 1 by sin 2 theta. Next, to get minimum value, we can take denominator is maximum. If denominator is maximum, the total ratio will be minimum. For example, if you take 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So here denominator is 2, denominator is 3. If I took denominator is maximum, now this value becomes minimum. Okay. What is maximum of sin 1? Already we discussed. The sin theta value range -1 to +2. That's why to get the minimum value, 4 into 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. That is nothing but 4 into 2. That is the minimum value is 8. That is nothing but Option D is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 75. The given sin theta equals to minus 4 by 5 and theta lies in, simple question, third quadrant. Then we need to find cos theta by 2. Okay. I am not taking symbol, just sin is opposite by hypotenuse. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, it should be 3. But here theta belongs to third quadrant. So if theta belongs to third quadrant, now cos theta is negative in third quadrant. Minus will get. Cos formula adjacent by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. That is minus 3 by 5. 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 1. 2 cos square theta by 2, if you take LCM, 2 by 5 will get, 2 gets cancelled. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 5. Cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 5. But here theta is given third quadrant, that is nothing but pi theta 3 pi by 2. If you divide with 2, pi by 2, theta by 2, 3 pi by 4. So this is 90, this is 135. 90 to 135, that is nothing but, this belongs to which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. That's why cos theta by 2 is equal to minus 1 by root 5 is answer for question number 75. That is nothing but option B is the correct answer. Next, 76. Sin 3 theta minus cos 3 theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Sin 3 theta minus cos 3 theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay. This can be written as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Consider this value sin 3 theta minus cos 3 theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Sin 3a formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. By denominator same, sin plus cos. So if we take 3 common in these two, 3 into sin theta, this minus of minus plus cos theta. Next, if you take minus 4 common, sin cube theta plus cos cube theta by sin plus cos. If you divide separately, this 2 gets cancelled. Now that is 3 minus 4 into, this is in the form of AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ formula A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square by Sin plus cos. Again sin plus cos cancel. That equals to 3 minus 4 into, this value is 1. Now 1 minus sin theta cos theta. If you multiply with minus 4, 3 minus 4 plus 4 sin theta cos theta. That is nothing but minus 1 plus, if you take 2 common, 2 sin theta cos theta, that is nothing but sin 2 theta. Substitute this value in equation 1. Replace the substitute money. That equals to minus 1 plus 2 sin 2 theta plus 1. 1 gets cancelled. Now 2 sin 2 theta is answer for question number 76. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. 77. If cos A equals to 3 by 4, then we need to find 32 sin A by 2 sin 5A by 2. Okay, this can be written as 16 into 2 sin 5A by 2. I can write minus 16 into minus 2 sin A by 2 minus 2 sin. So I can write cos C minus cos D, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. If you add these two, you will get 6A by 2, that is nothing but 3A minus cos A minus B. Subtract 5A minus A, 4A by 2, that is nothing but. Now minus 16 into cos 3A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, cos 2A, 2 cos square A minus 1. We know cos A value, substitute here. Minus 16 into 4 cube of this 27 by 64 minus 3 into 3 by 4 minus 2 into square of this 9 by 16 minus 1. So 4 16 times cancel. Now minus 16 into, here LCM is 16, 27, denominator 4, we need to multiply numerator with 4, 4 into 9, 36, minus, denominator LCM is 16, 2 9 jars, 18 minus 16. 27 minus 36 minus 9, so that is 2. So this is minus 11 by 60. Cancel. So answer is 11 for this 77 question. So option C is a correct answer. Next. 78. If 2 tan A equals to three tan B, then find sin 2B by 5 minus cos 2B. Okay. From this sin 2B formula we know, or you can write here tan A equals to 3 by 2 tan B, or you can write tan B equals to 2 by 3 tan A. Now this sign I can write in terms of tan. Now this is 2 tan B by 1 plus tan square B by 5 minus 1 minus tan square B by 1 plus tan square B. But if you substitute tan B value here, you will get the answer in terms of tan A. We'll check the option. Answer is given in terms of tan A or tan B. So answer is given in terms of tan B only, tan of A minus B. Now what will write? Simplify this. 2 tan B by 5 into this 5 plus 5 tan square B minus 1 plus tan square B, because both LCMs gets cancelled. Now 2 tan B by 5 minus 1 4 plus 6 tan square B. But this is not given in the option. That's why you verify option. For which option you will get this? First option, they given tan A minus tan B. If you take tan A minus tan B, in place of tan A you will write 3 by 2 tan B. Minus tan B. This and this both are not equal. So this is correct, wrong answer. I will go with second option. Second option they given tan of A minus B. We will check it. It can be written as tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. But answer is given in terms of tan B only. That's why from this I can write tan A can be written as 3 by 2 tan B. 3 by 2 tan B minus tan B by 1 plus 3 by 2 tan B into tan B. If you take tan B common, 3 by 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1 by 2 by 1 plus, if you take LCM, 1 plus 3 by 2 tan square. Okay, in this you take 2 common, tan B by denominator also 2 common, 2 plus 3 tan square B, 2 gets cancelled this. Now if you take LCM here, 2 gets cancelled, what you will get? Tan B by 2 plus 3 tan square B. See, this and this both are same. That's why option B is a correct answer for question number 78. Next, question number 79. 1 by tan 3A minus tan A minus 1 by cot 3A minus cot A. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 by tan 3A minus tan A minus cot can be written as 1 by tan 3A minus 1 by tan. Now that equals to 1 by tan 3A minus tan A minus 1 by, if you take LCM, tan 3A tan A will be LCM, cross multiply tan A minus tan 3A, this value go to numerator, that equals to 1 by tan 3A minus tan A minus tan 3A tan A. Here if you take minus common, these two value will be interchanged. Now the minus of minus becomes plus by tan 3A. Now observe both denominators are same. Now LCM tan 3A minus tan A 1 plus tan 3A tan A. So listen, actually this is in the form of tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. That's why this can be written as 1 by tan of A minus B. Why 1 by? If you write tan A minus B, this value will be numerator, this value will be denominator. Reverse is there, that's why I can write 1 by. That is nothing but 1 by tan 2A. 1 by tan is nothing but cot 2A is answer for question number 79. That is nothing but option D is the correct answer.